Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'd like to play some Apex, which is what I'm doing. That's why I'm doing it. Also I just wanted to say something before we start. Make sure to go follow my Twitch JettReset. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing a couple rounds of Apex. What do you think?
Battle lies below. Subject spotted. There.
Why do you know unattached? Can't even slide right now.
First blood. Good thing it's not us.
Someone died already.
Optics here.
Knockdown shield here. I need it.
Cool dibs.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring is far. Victory is further still.
Thank you.
Okay. Guys, if this video should go up today, I think tonight, yeah. And if you go follow my Twitch tonight,
New kill leader.
sometime I should be streaming. I'm pretty sure I might be streaming from Apex if you guys wanna come tune in.
Got a hop up here. Hammer point.
So yeah. And many of you may be wondering while I'm playing Apex, Fortnite's catering to the new players and it's not fun with the skill-based matchmaking. That's my answer. And also I'll probably be playing Apex for a long time because it's actually a really fun game if you get to play it for a bit.
Firing on subjects.
Oh, I
Reloading.
made it dying.
Down me.
Died to an SMG.
The battle belongs to only us now.
Dead. Oh, he was out there. Oh, if I'd known that, I wouldn't have done that wall.
Enemy down. I'm down.
Oh. We shoot two? What is this?
Our brethren's fight is not over.
I'm gonna come up.
Distant ring. Time is short.
I'm oh so very scared. We're gonna get this clutch beacon and get a run. Let's get it. I don't know how I just did that. I somehow, some way pulled that off.
Energy ammo here.
I never quit. Remember that.
I control death.
Prowler
It does
SMG
not
here.
control me.
Prowler SMG. Thermite grenade here.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Holy.
Listen up. The ring's moving.
Dazzling fire.
Throwing frag.
Downed a hostile on Scotty.
object.
GG's.
Subject spotted. Target spotted.
Guys, also, there's one thing that I need you to put in the description. What you want me to I'll leave. I mean, not in the in the comments. I want you to put. I'll leave like in the description a bunch of like series that I can do, and you guys will have to put in the comments what you want. Like, say it's like tips and tricks on characters, or like experience, like Apex tips and tricks or stuff like that. So yeah, sorry for the short video. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you back next time. Goodbye.